Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Josh is here. Junior is right over there. You can see it. Oh, he's chasing a bee. All right. So, first of all, look what we got. Look what we got. It came today. It only took them about a month and a week. 5 weeks. More than that. More than that. Maybe closer to 7 weeks. Good job, man, Lake. Today, we're going to take a look at, I left the queen in the cage in that hive. I didn't open up any corks or anything. I just wanted to see if they would accept her, get her used to that, get them used to her scent. And then today, I think I'm going to put her in there and open up the cork. And if I don't have to, I'm not going to use smoke. We'll see how that goes. One thing that we did on this yesterday, yep, and I figured it would happen, is we gave them this empty box to give space for the queen cage. Did you get those bags, those rubber bands?
See.
Right.
Rubber bands.
Right. And it looks like you don't really need a nail.
A nail?
Yep. It looks like they're tending to her. They do not seem overly aggressive, so that's nice. Yeah, we need a nail to
Get them out of there.
Everybody's alive in there. Queen is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this cork. I'm going to take out this cork, and there is this candy plug that they've got to eat through, and that'll give them some time to get even more used to her scent and go from there. Forget it, Josh. Won't need it. Thank you. All right, Joshy. So, probably like that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it inside, and I'm going to squish it in here. Now I've got the opening up so that in case any bees do die in there, they won't block the opening. Get this in there without knocking that off. There. All right. Then there's not too many bees on me, but I wonder if the brush would work better. Now because the Lil Nuc here is at an angle with the table, I'm going to all right, so I got the upper entrance. You can't see it, but it's open right now. I've got the telescoping outer cover slid forward, so they have access to the upper entrance. And once Joshy gets the rest of these top bars over, I'm going to open up the hive, and this will give them access. Now they've got an axis that they can defend. They're a small hive, so about 2 bees can get in there. I already saw one bee dragging out a dead body, so they're already house cleaning. What we're going to see eventually, maybe not on this video, but eventually they're going to start coming out and flying around in circles. And that's called orientation. They're orienting to the new location. So as soon as I get more stuff ready, it's always, that's the one thing with beekeeping, is you always have to have more stuff. But I need to get, right now that one hive over at the W yard is setting on a plastic bucket. That's not ideal. So I need to get a hive stand set up for that hive, for this hive, and the hive that used to be called our little double nuke, which is now a double story regular hive. I need to get a name for our old little nuke. Now we've got a new little nuke. So this, my friends, is our new little nuke. All right, quick one. I think it went pretty well. I was glad to see that they were not being very aggressive to that queen and they were tending to her. So that is a good sign. We will let them be for about 2 or 3 days, then we'll check to see if the queen has been released. If she's not, I'll probably just direct release her, go from there. And as soon as I get the materials, we'll be taking this over to the W yard. We came out and did exactly what we wanted to do, and we got done. We do have to stain that new box, so maybe Josh will get that done today. All right. Well, I thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments. We really do appreciate comments, and I love to answer questions if I can. One other thing too is we need to get a name for what used to be our little double nuke. Okay, in addition, this hive over here, that was our little double nuke. It's not a little double nuke anymore. So we got to think of a name for it. So if you have an idea what a good name for that hive would be, put it down below in the comments. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give us one. Do you know what else is super cool? That's right, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't, why not go ahead, scroll down, click on that subscribe button, get her done. When you click on the subscribe button, a little bell's going to pop up. Click on the bell and you get notifications every time we upload a new video. So as always, thank you for shopping. Good God. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you for shopping? What the heck?